Well guys, welcome to All Styling channel. My name is Peter. In this video I'll be talking about different uses of detailing brushes. Detailing brushes are sort of necessary accessories when you're doing detailing. You need them for inside and outside of the car. Inside I find them perfect for cleaning hard to reach spots, vents. You can use it for leather as well, for the door jambs. On the outside you can use them for cleaning wheels, grills, around the badges, around the window sills. Also, they're perfect for cleaning the engine bay. I have different brushes in my workshop, but for this video I'm going to use a brand that mainly supplies detailing accessories. The name of the brand, as you can see there, is Workstuff. Workstuff brand is based in Poland. They appeared on the market about 6 years ago, but since then their brushes, their accessories are getting more and more popular all over the world. You can look up on YouTube, you'll see different reviews from different detailers around the world. What makes this brand stand out from the rest is definitely the quality. They use high quality materials for their brushes. The products are really durable. What I really like about the brand is that they offer wide selection of different brushes with different bristles. You have some soft bristles, harder bristles, so you can use these brushes for interior of your car, exterior of your car, wheels, engine bay. So the variety of the bristles is one thing, but also what the Workstuff offers is different sizes of the brushes. So in most cases you can get large brush with 40 millimeters bristles, 30, 24 and 16. So with the Workstuff brand you will easily pick selection of brushes that will suit all your needs. So let me introduce you the full range of Workstuff brushes. There is 6 different types of bristles available between Workstuff brushes. Also, you can pick, in some cases, you can pick different handles. So you have handle like this, which is painted, then you have rubber handle. So the first brush is Workstuff Classic. This brush has natural bristles. I mainly use this brush for cleaning internal plastic. It's quite soft brush. It does the job for general cleaning. The biggest advantage of using brush like this is that you can actually spray more cleaner into the brush and it will let you to work with the brush for longer time. But because this brush has natural bristles, I wouldn't recommend it to use it with very strong chemicals, as if you do that, the bristles will give up at some stage. The second type of brush, Workstuff Black. This brush has synthetic bristles, so it's more durable than this one. Also, the bristle is shorter, so that lets you to put more force onto the brush. So this brush is ideal for cleaning dirtier surfaces. You can use this brush for inside the car, like for the plastics, for hard to reach spots, vents. On the outside of the car, I'm using this brush for dirtier wheels. Also, I could use it for engine bay, plastic grills, and kind of places where you need to put a little bit of force, where you need to put more agitation. The next type of brush is Workstuff Albino. This one comes in 2 colors, white and orange. The color doesn't make any difference to the performance of the brush. It's just different colors, so it's up to your preferences. This brush is very soft and it's very delicate, so I find it perfect for cleaning any glossy surfaces that you don't want to scratch during your cleaning. So mainly I use this brush for cleaning inside the car, when I'm agitating any cleaner on glossy surfaces. If it comes to cleaning new wheels with glossy finish, then I'll use this brush as well, so that stops from causing any marks, any scratches. I also find this brush excellent for agitating any hard to reach spots when it comes to cleaning outside of the car, where there might be contact of the brush with the paintwork. Another brush is Workstuff Grey. This is sort of newest brush from Workstuff range. It's also synthetic bristles, quite soft. I place it between Workstuff Classic and Workstuff Albino. So in this case you have great choice of delicate brushes with slightly different hardness of them, and you can pick the right one that will suit your needs. The fifth brush is Workstuff Stiff. This brush has synthetic bristles as well. It's quite tough brush, so this brush is ideal for those harder tasks. If you have wheels with caked on brake dust and you need to put lots of agitation with stiffer brush, this one is the perfect one for it. I also find this brush perfect for cleaning very dirty engine bays, but also sometimes I use it inside the car for cleaning pedals or some very stubborn dirt on the plastic trims. And the last type of brush is Workstuff Ultra Soft. These brushes are extremely delicate. They remind me makeup brushes that women use. This brush is ideal for sort of dry dusting of inside the car, especially when it comes to very delicate glossy surfaces. They're not really suitable for use with the cleaners because of the wooden handle. But if you want to take care properly of your inside of your car, those glossy surfaces, this brush will do you perfect. So to recap this video, Workstuff offers great selection of top quality detailing brushes. From the range you will find the ones that will suit you the best. So this is everything in this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comment below. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe my channel and see you on the next one.